Hey, this is Sell These Products. We research new winning products every day, so here are the top winning products for today. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications about the latest winning products. Our first product is the horror movie-inspired garden gnomes. Inspired by a horror film, gnomes in the garden have always been popular, but how about zombie gnomes? These gnomes are a unique and amusing product that will leave you speechless. Ideal for selling before Halloween. Previously, many other garden statues were huge winners. We think this product has a broad market base. This product belongs in the home decoration and garden niches. The Facebook advertisement appears to be doing well. Now, the selling price for this product is $24.99, whereas the product cost is only $10.93. The shipping for this product is free, so the profit you can make from this product is $14.06. Moving on, the next product on our list is the Apple Smartwatch Charging Stand. This Apple Watch charging stand is small and lightweight, making it easy to transport. It can be used at home or at the office, and the watch display can be seen while charging. It is available in a variety of colors and sizes to fit all Apple Watches. It has a large number of orders on AliExpress. The supplier is a proven seller on AliExpress with lots of orders. We think this product has a broad market base. We would place this product in the tech, smartphone accessories, and Apple products niches. We have seen stores sell this product for $23.99. The product cost on AliExpress is $5.48. The cost of shipping is $2.74. So the profit margin comes to $15.77. The next product on our list is the Natural Bamboo Inspired Cutlery Set. This 5-piece cutlery set brings nature's beauty into your dining experience. It is influenced by nature's most beautiful forms while remaining functional and elegant. This set has been meticulously designed and crafted. The stainless steel cutlery set has a natural bamboo handle. This bamboo and stainless steel combo is ideal for daily use. The design and color scheme are adaptable to any home. There aren't many orders on AliExpress. This product belongs in the home decoration niche. The Facebook advertisement appears to be doing well. The selling price for this product is $29.99. And the cost of the product is $13.28. The shipping for this product is free, so the profit margin comes to $16.71. Moving on, our next product is the Smart Visual Ear Wax Remover. This ear wax remover has special tips that easily collect wax and fits comfortably in various ear shapes. This ear wax remover makes cleaning your ears a breeze. This means no more risky Q-tips or wasting time trying to clean your ears. It has a built-in HD camera that provides clear vision so you can easily remove the wax. You'll be able to see how much wax remains, or it's accumulating, and have complete control over cleaning. The camera communicates with your smartphone via Bluetooth. This product belongs in the self-care niche. We have seen stores sell this product for $49.99. And the cost of the product is $30.13. The AliExpress seller offers free shipping on this product, so we are looking at a very good profit margin of $19.86. Moving on, the last product on our list is the Children's LCD Drawing Tablet. For children of all ages, this drawing tablet is an excellent developmental and educational tool. The tablet measures 8.5 inches diagonally. You can stimulate your child's creativity, memory, and imagination by using art therapy devices. Your house will be grateful because there will be no more unwanted drawings on the walls, floors, doors, or furniture. The supplier is a proven seller on AliExpress with lots of orders. We think this product has a broad market base. We would place this product in the kids, arts, and gifts niches. The Facebook ad has good amounts of likes, comments, and shares. We have seen stores sell this product for $24.99. The product cost on AliExpress is $8.60. The shipping for this product is free, so the profit margin comes to $16.39. Thank you for watching this episode of Sell These Products. Please take a second to like the video if you enjoyed it and leave a comment with any questions or feedback. We wish you all the best with your e-commerce journey and hope to see you again.